Hello, I am Sylvia Jessie Sharon. You are 15C003. I'm here to explain my seventh database program, and it is about JDBC. The first thing is that JDBC is nothing but how to connect an application program with a database. That is the main part. Main thing about this JDBC is nothing but Java database connection. We use Java. With the help of Java, we connect. With the help of Java, we'll be connecting application program to the database. So here I've just first step is to import the Java library. So I have just done. I've used a try and catch method. First I should import. Then I have to get a connection. First thing importing is that class dot for name, and I've just given this is the general syntax Oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot Oracle driver. So this will be getting my, I'm importing my this will be importing my library, Java library, and I've given a try method. So I've just used catch exception e. Then next thing my system dot out will be like this, and after importing, my next step will be establishing a connection. And here it's like a connection equal to null, and statement after establishing a connection I have to create a statement object, and that's why that is what I've created here, statement s equal to null. Initially I have declared both the connection and the statement equal to null, and try now I have to establish the connection. This is the general syntax. Con this is the object which I have created here, con equal to driver manager dot get connection, and JDBC Oracle then at the local host, and the port number is 1521. Now here I should give a username and a password. I've just given system and my password, and here I've used a try method. Try and catch. So I have to catch exception e. So after getting my connection, the next thing will be my statement object. Creating a statement object and executing the statement object. So here is the thing. First thing is I'll be connecting s equal to con dot create statement. This will be creating the statement object, and then the next thing will be I should be inserting the values into the query. So string I've just given, because it is a string, I've just given string query insert into employee is my table name, and values will be 003. So we are just given like that. Next thing is we have two things: update execute update and execute query. Execute update is to update the values into the table. So int number equal to s dot, s is my object, statement object, s dot execute update query. Then I've used my catch again. I've used a catch segment similarly, which I've done for the above thing, and system dot out dot println state gives plus e. Then next thing is I have created the statement, and I also made the query. Now I have to display the statement which I have statement object with the result, the result obtained. So s equal to connection dot create con dot create statement. String st, this is my st, I've just given st, and select star from employee. So this will be giving me the result set. So I am storing my result set in a variable called, in object called rs s dot execute execute query. Here we'll be using execute query, so it will be executing the statement object, that is the result set. Now next thing will be my while rs dot next. I'm I'm using a while loop, because my values are there in both int and as well as in varchar, so I should be declaring that. So system dot out dot println rs dot get int for my value id, and get string, that is for my value my employee name. So again I have used a catch expression here, and system dot out dot println. So now let's see the output. So this is my output here. The thing will be successful s, which I have given here, s and successful, and my id, employee id, and my employee name is being given here. So now let me show it in the SQL command. Already I have created my I have connected my system. I've given my password, and I've created the table called the table employee with employee id and employee number name. So I've just displayed my table. Now let me display the select star from EMPP. So here we can find that it's been displayed. My ID number and my employee name has been displayed. So this is about my seventh experiment. Thank you.